Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, November 23rd. Now I want you to know that the markets are going to be open until noon tomorrow. So from 5 o'clock this evening, what you're seeing here in Chicago time, that represents Asia just starting to trade. It'll trade through noon tomorrow. The markets stop on the CME group and they begin 5 o'clock in that evening, which would be Friday morning in Asia. Then you have a regular close, Friday close. So there's not going to be a lot of time that the market will be shut down. And what do I look for in the NASDAQ market? It's one of the few indices that made new highs. I'm looking for about the same kind of range for Thursday's action. And when it comes to the US dollar, well, the euro did trade above its bullish level. The magnitude change here between that bearish and bullish level is $125 a contract in that market. And I feel the same as I did about the NASDAQ market, just a little bit movement to the upside. In other words, a little bit of strengthening in the euro. In the Canadian dollar, the magnitude change here between that bullish and bearish level in that market is $240 a contract, and I'm also looking for just a little bit movement higher, but not a dramatic move. If we take a look at interest rates, well, they're doing what they should do, and that is they should strengthen when the stock market's weaker and the dollar is weaker, and we're seeing that kind of action here. But I don't look for follow through to the upside. I'm looking for an inside day in the 10-year notes. In gold, it also firmed up as these markets reacted to the stock market. Can we get follow through? I don't think so. We're seeing a little bit of weakness right now in Asia. I'm looking for that to continue for that market. Let's move over though to crude oil. And crude oil did firm up. We did have a drawdown in inventories, but can again we get follow through? I just don't see a strong reason for that kind of action. I'm looking for an inside day on Thursday for that market. And in soybeans and corn and wheat, they're not going to be trading on Thursday and Friday, so I don't look for any action, but next Monday I do look for a sideways move. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care. And for those of you celebrating Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving.